Hello guys, I'm going to show you how you can still do a Windows 10 download and apply for free a Windows 10 upgrade from Windows 7 by using the Windows 10 free download. Yes, even though the deadline for the free upgrade has passed, it is still possible for customers who use assistive technology. Okay, let's log in. The first thing to do is to ensure that the Windows 7 key is genuine and activated. So to do this, we click the Start button, right click on Computer and select Properties. Scroll to the bottom and under Windows Activation it should say Windows is activated, and you should also have the Ask for Genuine Microsoft icon. Okay, it just so happens that my computer name is Windows 7, and because I'm upgrading it to Windows 10, I'm going to first show you how to change computer name. Click the Change Settings. Click the Change button. In the computer name text box, type the new name. For example, if the computer is in the study, you could call it Study PC, but you cannot have more than one computer on your network called Study PC. And in this instance, I'm going to call mine Windows 10. Click OK. And to apply the new computer name, the PC will require a restart. So OK to that dialog box and then close. Now I can restart. Okay, let's log in again. There's one more thing, guys, before we start, and this is just in my experience. We must check the page file sys, because once Windows 10 upgrade starts, the process takes up a lot of system resources. To check the page file sys, click on the Start button, right click on Computer and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings, and in the Performance section click Settings. Now click on the Advanced tab, click the Change button. In this instance, the computer is set to automatically manage the page file. But if you look down here at the settings, you can see that Windows 7 is recommending a 6 GB page file, yet Windows is only allocated 4 GB. This will cause a bottleneck, which will drastically extend the process time, so I'm going to turn off the automatic management. Select Custom Size and set this to 2 times the installed memory. And I've got 4 GB in this machine, so I'm going to set this to 8192 and then click Set. Now click OK. Now the computer will require a restart for the changes to take effect. Click OK and OK again and OK again. Now restart and the computer will boot up with the optimal page file sys. Right, on with the upgrade. Personally, I'm not a fan of Internet Explorer, so I'm going to use Firefox, but any browser will do. Navigate to the link which I'll provide below this video and it will bring you to this web page. Windows 10 free upgrade for customers who use assistive technologies. If you scroll down a little bit and then click on the Upgrade Now, save file, and then launch the file. Say yes to elevated control, and we can close this browser, we don't need that anymore. So here's the terms and conditions which you should read. and if you agree to them, click accept. If you don't accept them, you cannot proceed. The upgrade will do a quick check for the compatibility, and if all is okay, click the next button. So I'll speed up the video here because the download and installation will take quite a while. Right, we've got to 99% complete and it's been sitting here for a while now, so I'm guessing it will not go any further regardless of how long I wait. The workaround for this is simple. I believe that this is common if you're trying to apply this update to a virtual computer such as VMware Windows 10. To give the installation a subtle nudge, click on the Start button, right click Computer and select Manage. Expand Services and Applications and then select Services. Scroll down and highlight the Windows Update service and then click the Stop button to stop this service. Now right click on Windows Update service again and select Properties. Select the startup type to Manual. This will prevent the service from restarting again until after the Windows 10 upgrade has been completed. Right click on the taskbar and open Task Manager and select the Processes tab. The process we are interested in is setuphost.exe. Now that we've stopped the Windows Update service, the memory and CPU usage should now start to fluctuate for this process, which means it's now active again. Finally, the upgrade will complete and the computer will require a restart. Click the Restart Now to continue. Now when the computer restarts, it will boot into Windows 10. There'll be a few automatic restarts while the computer upgrade completes, and eventually you'll be presented with the first time logon screen. So click Next to continue. Now on the Get Going Fast screen, I strongly recommend that you click Customize and do not use the Express settings. On the Customize settings screen, everything is enabled by default. This means all of your input and output data is sent to Microsoft. This includes speech, typing and printing. They customize advertising for you as the intended audience, give over your mobile number and the address book, record your current location, they prompt you for open hotspot networks, they send all diagnostics, they predict what pages you want in the browsers, and get updates automatically. You might want to allow these, but I'm going to disable all of them. Personally, the only one I will enable later is the Windows Update. So I'm just going to turn all of these off and forget that one and click Next, and then there's the next page as well, and then click Next again and some more and click Next and then click Next. Now the computer will restart and we can log in for the first time. We have a Windows 10 machine. And there we go. Close that. and we have updated Windows 7 to now Windows 10. I'll go through some videos on how to use this. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please rate my video with a thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs down if you disliked it. Any comments, questions or suggestions for future videos, please put them in the comments section, and if you subscribe to my channel, not only will I be grateful, but you'll be one of the first to learn of any new videos I upload. Thanks, guys.